I'm Brooke Wallace with your news headline updates for Wednesday, April the 20th. The state is moving forward to execute 2 men tomorrow night while the death row inmates fight the executions in court filings. Today, the prisoners asked the U.S. Supreme Court for an emergency stay. Meanwhile, Judge Alice Gray was holding a hearing on a complaint brought by the drug supplier McKesson. The lawsuit claims that the Arkansas Department of Correction illicitly acquired a drug from McKesson that the state plans to use in the executions. Circuit Judge Wendell Griffin, who earlier presided over the McKesson case before he was barred from hearing it or any other cases related to the death penalty by the Arkansas Supreme Court after he protested the death penalty in front of the governor's mansion, defended his actions in a blog post today. He said his personal opposition to the death penalty hadn't influenced his interpretation of the law. He said he lay on a cot like a dead man in front of the governor's mansion in solidarity with Jesus. Senator Tom Cotton spoke today at the Clinton School event focused on Cotton's assessment of Donald Trump's first 100 days in office. Clinton School Dean Skip Rutherford moderated. Cotton said he speaks on a weekly basis with Trump either by phone or in person. He said he happens to think Trump is right a lot more than Barack Obama when it comes to foreign policy. Rutherford noted that Trump hasn't delivered many of the promises he made during the campaign. Cotton said that there will be an important down payment in the next few weeks on funding the military, which he called hollowed out. He said he's confident that in time, Congress will pass some of the laws that Trump campaigned on. Last night, the Little Rock Board of Directors voted 7-1 to support the proposed LRSD millage. Irma Hendricks was the lone no vote. Directors B.J. Wyrick and Ken Richardson were absent. Opponents of the millage want the district to return to local control before a vote. Check out this week's Arkansas Times cover story on the millage with essays from public school advocates on both sides of the issue. Well, that's all the news for today. Follow more on the Arkansas blog.